Hey guys, so today I'm going to do another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my braid outs. I know my ends don't need it anymore, but I got so used to using perm rods. I'm going to show you what they look like. I got so used to using perm rods on my ends when my ends were straight to I just can't bear without using perm rods on a braid out anymore, because I like the definition that it gives my curls. Not saying that my own curls at the end are bad, but I just like the way it turns out when I use perm rods. So when I braid my hair, I just plait my hair. I don't braid it to the scalp, I just plait my hair. And maybe I want to say about 20 or maybe even less, like 15 plaits. Had me looking like ASAP Rocky.
ASAP, get like me.
But that's okay, cause it come out bomb. But I'm just gonna braid my hair, put the perm rods on the end, and I'm gonna try a new part too. I'm gonna try a zigzag part, see how I like that. I'm gonna attempt to do a zigzag part because never did that before. But yeah, just stay tuned if you want to see how I conquered this look. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start by taking my hair out this clip and then parting my hair in the zigzag part. Now that I have the part out the way, I'm just going to split my hair into two sections and detangle it. Now I'm just going to oil my scalp using my oil mixture. I keep it in this little bottle, and before I apply it to my scalp, I just give it a good shake. And once I'm done applying the oil, I use my Vanity Planet vibrating scalp massaging brush, and I love this thing. It feels so good on my head. And this brush promotes hair growth because it vibrates and opens up your hair follicles. And these are the products that I'll be using in my hair today. I'll be using products from Shea Moisture and The Main Choice, as well as Eco Style. And in my water bottle, I just have liquid biotin and water. And once I apply all those products in my hair, I just brush it with my Denman brush and braid my hair. And the way I apply my perm rods is in an upward motion. I do not do the spiral motion with my perm rods. I like the way this look gives me like definition on my ends, so I just stuck with this method. And that's all I do. I'm going to show you a few more sections of me braiding my hair, and then I'm just going to fast forward to me doing the front section of my hair, just so the video won't be too long. Keep hearing footsteps, baby, in the dark. Okay, sorry for that little intermission. Now it's back to business. We're about to braid this section too. I'm not going to braid this big section into just one braid. I'm going to split it off, so I'm going to have two braids in this section.
mama holla. You got your own house holla. You drive your own car holla. If you hate your baby daddy holla. If you an independent player holla.
Oh yeah.
If you hate your baby mama holla.
Oh yeah.
If you drive your own car holla.
Oh yeah.
If you take care of your kids holla.
East Coast, where you at? Let me get it.
Cash Money Records taking over for the 99 in 2000.
Girl, what you bad shit? The bad jam make a nigga spend his cash in. His last year, hold
Round when they pass it, the magic. Okay, so after detangling and massaging the oil through my scalp, I'm just going to apply gel to the top of my head so that it can lay smooth, because when I take out my braid out, I'm going to just swoop the front part of my hair behind my ear. That's typically what I do. I don't know why, but I just take this wooden soft brush and smooth down my hair and then part it into 2 sections and then braid. Okay, now I'm just gonna smooth down this top half and add some more gel to the top of my head. Okay, so I finished my braid out. So now it's all done. I just had these clips in my hair because I was walking around, but don't worry, this white residue will disappear in the morning. So what I'm gonna do is sit underneath of my hooded dryer, but my hooded dryer is like deflatable, so it saves space and it works perfectly fine, and I like it because it has like direct contact with my hair, so I don't have to sit underneath of the dryer for hours upon hours. But I'm just gonna take this scarf and fold it in half because I'm gonna wear 2 scarves, but I'm only gonna tie this scarf on the top half just so it can lay flat, because that's where I'm going to just gel my hair down and swoop it behind my ear, because that's typically what I do when I do a braid out. Like I swoop the braid, like the hair behind my ear. But I'm just gonna turn around so you can see everything. Gonna go to sleep and then I'll show you guys the takedown. Hey guys, so it's the next morning and I just got up, got in the shower, washed my face, did all the other things that you do in the morning. Now I'm about to take my scarf off and get to taking out my hair. So first I like to go all throughout my head and just take out all the blue perm rods. So that's what I'm gonna do. And you see the curl that I get? Now my hair does curl like this naturally, but I just like the way the perm rod makes it turn out. Now I'm about to use this hair silk by Mixed Chicks, and whenever I do a braid out and I take it out, this is what I use because it makes my hair very soft. And you can use this on straight hair or curly hair. So just gonna take a few pumps of that, rub it in, and just put it all throughout my hair. Now I'm about to take my braids out. And here I just turned around so I could show you the definition this braid out gives my hair. I always forget a braid, it never fails. Now that I officially got all of the braids out, I just shake my hair and fluff it just to give it more volume. Okay, and now I'm just going to gel down the part I already gelled down yesterday with my Eco Styler gel. Now I'm gonna clip my hair back with these clips and put my scarf back on because I'm gonna do my edges and my makeup. Okay guys, so this is the finished look and I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Now I'm about to get started with my day, so I'll see you guys later.